The '84 SummerSun Houseboat is a spacious and luxurious model, perfect for a large family or group vacation. It's 84 feet long and 16 feet wide, with a total of 1,344 square feet of living space. The '84 SummerSun is known for its modern and comfortable interior. The living area is spacious and inviting, with plenty of room for guests to relax and socialize. The kitchen is fully equipped with everything you need to prepare meals, and the bedrooms are comfortable and private. The flybridge is a great place to enjoy the outdoors and take in the views. The barbecue grill is perfect for cooking up a delicious meal, and the covered patio provides shade from the sun. The price of this houseboat is $379,995. The C310 houseboat is a popular model built by Henley Houseboats, a UK-based company specializing in luxury houseboats. It's known for its spacious and comfortable living quarters, making it a great choice for those looking for a unique and relaxing way to spend time on the water. The interior is surprisingly spacious, with dining area for 4 people. The living room has a large picture window that offers stunning views of the river. The kitchen is well equipped with a hob, oven, fridge, and sink. The bathroom has a shower, toilet, and basin. The C310 is a great option for anyone looking for a relaxing and enjoyable holiday on the water. It's also a popular choice for those who live on the water full-time. The MX.4 Houseboat is a luxurious and customizable houseboat built by Mote, a Dutch company specializing in high-end watercraft. It's the largest and most luxurious model in their MX line, offering spacious living quarters, stunning design, and advanced technology. The MX.4 measures 43 feet long and 17.7 feet wide, providing ample space for living, entertaining, and relaxing. The interior layout can be customized to accommodate 2 to 6 guests comfortably. The MX.4 is built with eco-friendly materials and features like electric propulsion, solar panels, and water purification systems. This makes it a responsible choice for those who want to enjoy the beauty of the water while minimizing their environmental impact. The starting price for an MX.4 houseboat is around €599,000. Pier Paolo Lazzarini envisions Wayaland, a floating city made of modular pyramids that offers different living and entertainment facilities including hotels, shops, spas, gyms, bars, and cinemas. Completed with solar panels and water turbines for energy supply, the project aims to provide a new offshore living experience within a self-sustainable community. The main Waya pyramid comprises different modules that overlap on a floating 54 by 54 meter basement, offering a total surface of about 3,000 square meters. The basement includes a large entrance for boats and a reception, while the part of each module submerged underwater stores engines, equipment, additional energy sources, and generators. Dividing the height in 10 different floors with a total surface of 6,500 square meters, the complete Waya reaches a maximum height of 30 meters from the waterline. Le Koroc is a line of tiny houseboats built by Diagno, a Quebec-based company. They're known for their sleek design, eco-friendly features, and comfortable living spaces. This 26-foot 6-inch by 8-foot 6-inch model is designed for fishing enthusiasts. It has a fully equipped cabin with a kitchenette, bathroom, and sleeping area. The deck can be optionally outfitted with a variety of fishing gear, like rod holders and a live well. If you're looking for a unique and eco-friendly way to experience the water, Koroc houseboats are a great option. They're perfect for couples or small families who want to enjoy the beauty of nature and comfort. The base price for Koroc is $61,000. These are luxurious houseboats shaped like seahorses, located in the heart of Europe development on the World Islands in Dubai. They offer stunning views of the Arabian Sea and a unique underwater living experience. Each villa is spread across 3 levels, with a spacious underwater floor featuring panoramic windows that offer breathtaking views of the marine life. The above water levels include living areas, bedrooms, and outdoor decks with private pools and sunbathing areas. The villas are equipped with state-of-the-art amenities, including air conditioning, Wi-Fi, flat-screen TVs, high-quality furniture and appliances, and climate-controlled outdoor areas. Some villas even have underwater bedrooms, with prices starting at around $3 million. The crossover houseboat is a unique vessel that seamlessly blends the spacious comfort of a houseboat with the sleek performance and maneuverability of a yacht. Imagine a luxurious floating home that can whisk you away on tranquil river cruises or playful jaunts across sheltered bays. Crossover houseboats boast ample living space, often featuring multiple bedrooms, bathrooms, a full kitchen, and a living area. High ceilings and large windows create a bright and airy atmosphere, making you feel right at home even while floating. The crossover houseboat is a compelling option for those seeking a versatile and comfortable vessel that combines the best of both worlds. They typically range from $800,000 to $1.5 million. The ARKUP 75 is a revolutionary 75-foot livable yacht that redefines the concept of luxury living on the water. It's more than just a yacht, it's a self-contained, sustainable home that allows you to experience the freedom and beauty of the ocean in unparalleled comfort and style. The ARKUP 75 features a spacious interior with high-end finishes, floor-to-ceiling windows, and a large outdoor deck. It has all the amenities you would expect in a luxury home, including a gourmet kitchen, multiple bedrooms, and bathrooms. The ARKUP 75 is designed to be self-sufficient, so you can live wherever you want, without having to rely on shore power or utilities. It has a water desalination system, a waste treatment system, and enough storage for food and water to last you for weeks. Surla Houseboats are unique, luxurious, and eco-friendly houseboats built with a passion for nature and sustainability. They're designed to provide a unique and comfortable experience on the water, perfect for a relaxing getaway or an adventurous exploration. Surla Houseboats are 100% ecological and self-sufficient. They use solar panels for electricity, collect rainwater for drinking water, and have a compost toilet. Despite their eco-friendly nature, Surla houseboats don't compromise on luxury. They feature spacious living areas with panoramic windows, open kitchens, comfortable bedrooms, and spacious decks. Surla houseboats come in various sizes and models, each with its own unique layout and features. The largest model, Surla 15, is 15 meters long. Overblue power catamarans are luxury motor catamarans known for their spaciousness, comfort, and performance. They are built in France by the homonymous shipyard and range in size from 15 to 22.5 meters in length. Overblue catamarans are designed for both day trips and extended cruising. They feature large living spaces, with plenty of room for guests to relax and enjoy the views. The interiors are typically light and airy, with large windows and plenty of natural light. One of the key features of Overblue catamarans is their stability. The two hulls provide a stable platform, even in rough seas. This makes them ideal for families with young children or for those who are prone to seasickness. They are powered by powerful engines that can propel them to speeds of up to 25 knots. This makes them ideal for exploring remote destinations or for simply getting out on the water and enjoying the speed. The Hart 80 is a one-of-a-kind houseboat that was designed and built by Hart Yachting. The 80-foot vessel is a true masterpiece of luxury living on the water, with everything from a spacious living area and gourmet kitchen to a private sun deck and jacuzzi. The Hart 80 is built with the finest materials and craftsmanship, and it features a number of unique design elements that make it stand out from the crowd. The interior of the Hart 80 is just as impressive as the exterior. The main living area is open and airy, with large windows that let in plenty of natural light. The kitchen is equipped with top-of-the-line appliances, and there is a dining area that can seat up to 8 guests. There are also 3 bedrooms, all of which are finished to the highest standards. The Dutchcat Houseboat is a unique and luxurious way to experience Amsterdam. It's a fully equipped houseboat moored on the Prinsengracht Canal, right in the heart of the city. The houseboat has 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a fully equipped kitchen, and a spacious living area. There's also a private deck with stunning views of the canal. The Dutchcat Houseboat is perfect for a romantic getaway, a family vacation, or a group of friends. It's a great way to experience Amsterdam like a local and to see the city from a different perspective. The Dutchcat Houseboat is a great choice for anyone looking for a unique and luxurious place to stay in Amsterdam. The rates for the Dutchcat Houseboat vary depending on the season and the number of guests. However, you can expect to pay around €250 per night for a 2-person stay. The Atlas V Series from Bravada Yachts is a line of luxurious houseboats that redefine the freshwater experience. They're not your typical houseboats, though. Think of them as superyachts for lakes, blending sleek design with over-the-top amenities. Ranging from 3,200 to 4,000 square feet, these yachts offer ample space for large groups or families to spread out and enjoy the onboard lifestyle. Perfect for catering to different palates or hosting large gatherings, the dual kitchens come fully equipped with top-of-the-line appliances and ample countertop space. The yachts feature expansive decks with plenty of space for lounging, dining, and entertaining. There's even a rooftop deck with a jacuzzi and a fire pit for enjoying the night sky.